Hi everyone. Today myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday on how to use rib and coil command in Inventor. Uh, First of all, we have uh, some brief information from Capricorn Technology. Capricorn Technology, a Win Euro company and a partner of choice for the AC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team member. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customer in a AEC and associated industries. Today agenda. So today agenda is what part modeling tool learn in easy ways in Inventor software. So let's move on Inventor screen and we will see how to use part modeling commands like rep command and a- and coil command. So let's move on Inventor screen. As we can see that this is my Inventor screen, and today I would like to present first command which is coil command. So coil command is used for make a coil. So before uh, use coil command, we have to create a sketch, uh, profile and center line. So we have already created the circle and center line, and go to the just coil command, and this is height of coil 100 mm and taper angle is 10 degree. If we type 0 degree, then coil is parallel, and revolution is 10. We can type 20, then revolution will change into 10 to 20. So this is my cross section of the coil, and just click on OK button. Then we will obtain the coil. And next command is rip command. So rip command is used for a support of uh, two object. So suppose there is a bracket and we want to create a support between them. So use rip command. So click on the rip command. Just uh, before clicking the rip, we have to create a sketch. So first of all, start 2D sketch and click on the plane and create a sketch. So um, this is my sketch, finish and select rip command. So there is two option, two next and finite, and there is also two option, parallel to sketch plane and normal to sketch plane. So first parallel to sketch plane, select parallel to sketch plane, and there is option two next. So we select the sketch and two next option, thickness is 1 mm. We can change 5 mm, 10 mm. Okay. And next is finite. finite, if we change finite, then rib is change is look like this. So this thickness we can change 3 mm, also 5 mm. So there is two option. First is two next. If we select two next, then rib is look like this, and if we change finite, then this rib is look like a this type. So there is second option is normal to sketch plane. So for using normal to sketch plane, we have another example. So go to part 2. Again, select rip command and select normal to sketch plane. And just click on the sketch. Then we can see this rib is created automatically through the base till base plate. Okay. So click on OK button, and we can see rib is created. So uh, so today I'll cover two commands in part modeling, rib and coil. So guys, for more videos and update, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Techniques Private Limited and like and comment. If you like the Tech Tuesday video, we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us and any suggestion, query or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.